Hello, this is Tom. Today, let's take a look at a new pen, this Monteverde Invincia Deluxe Fountain Pen. Okay, so this is the package of this pen. Let's take this out. Okay, here. Okay, it's to. So this is the box of the pen, and this is the inside of the pen. So the material feels like a leather, but I think it should not be authentic or leather. But it's nice. Let's take out this pen. So this pen is called Monteverde Invincia Deluxe Fountain Pen. The color is rose gold. Okay, so it's a big pen. Let's see what's inside. We have two international cartridges, one black, one blue, and we also have these cards, and this is warranty card, and this is the instruction for the converter and the cartridges. It's about refill instructions. Okay, let's put this box away. And this is the pen. Actually, I also have this the same model, but different cap and barrels. So this one, I think, it's also the Invincia. But this model is called Stealth Black. So it's a black pen, and let's also compare them with this Lamy 2000 and this Platinum 3776. So we can see the lengths are similar, but these two pens, this Invincia, they are fatter, a little fatter. And let's see. Yeah, these two pens are also a little heavier. Okay, next let's take a closer look at these two pens. So this pen, it says this material is carbon fiber, but this is yeah, maybe just the paint, this part is carbon fiber, but because it's heavy, I think inside it still have some kind of mental barrel and a mental head. So from if it's totally carbon fiber, it would be more expensive, I think, and also it would be lighter. But this one is heavy, as heavy as this one. Okay, this one obviously it's made of metal. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this one. So it's a screw-on cap. So here is the logo of Monteverde. Okay. So let's take off the barrel, and then we can see this. It comes with a converter. So this is just a usual converter, international style. And it's a screw on, so let's unscrew it. So this is the converter. Okay. So it's a usual cone converter. And this is the nib. This is the nib. We can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, it has a kind of blue color, blue-black. This is a kind of blue-black. Okay, so we can also unscrew this nib. So this is the nib. So we can actually change this nib easily. We only need to buy this kind of nib assembly and then replace it. And this nib is there's number 1 there, but I don't know the size of this nib. This nib should be fine or medium. Okay, let's put it together. And put it together. Okay, so let's take a look at this black pen. Steels black or steels black. So it's the same, just the color is different. Actually, many people complains about this this pen, this Invincia, this black Steels black. And one complaint is about the paint. The paint goes off easily. Actually, you can see here some paint is already off. But yeah, of course, that's not a good thing about a pen. Once some paints are off, then the pen becomes ugly. And okay, next let's take a look at some writing samples of this pen. So this pen is made by Monteverde. Monteverde. It's called Invincia. And this pen, they name it as the color. Then the color as Steels black. And the nib size, I don't know. It should be fine for American pen. It should be fine. So the ink is black ink. Okay, so it's the nib is okay. Let me write with it more. Let me write a proverb. An empty vessel makes much noise. foolish or stupid people are the most talkative. Okay. Okay. This is a this is a well-known, I think, saying. It's partially true. I think all the politicians, they are very talkative. Are they empty vessels? Maybe some of them, but not all of them, of course. I think this nib is fine. I think Monteverde got this kind of got a nib from some, I don't know, from some nib makers, maybe from some German nib makers. So this nib is fine, just not as good as Lamis and Platinums, but it's a good one. It's still a good nib. Okay, then this nib is rigid, no variation. It's a very okay. There's some if I use a lot of force. Lot of force now. Yeah, we can have a little line variation. It's a quality pen. It's certainly a quality pen, and actually, for my hand, I can hold this pen comfortably. The design, I think, is good for my pen. I can hold it comfortably because I just hold at this part. If you need to hold here or lower, then maybe that's not good. But for me, I can just hold at the right place. So it's a good pen for me. I hold it comfortably. Let's also maybe this pen is new. So they have the same just the same shape, so I can also hold this pen comfortably. But let me just dip this nib with this Lamis blue fountain pen ink to write some words. Again, this is okay. Let's see. Maybe there's some oil. I'm not sure. Okay. Monteverde. It's also in Invincia. It's also called Invincia. But this one, let me check it. This one is called Deluxe. Fountain pen, of course. This is fountain pen. And this gold color is called rose gold. So I think this nib is medium. Comparing with this one is fine, I think, but this one is medium. And the ink is Lamis blue. Okay, because this is medium, so it's smoother than this one. I can feel it. It's much smoother, actually, or significantly smoother than this one. Let's also write with this pen more. idle brain is the devil's workshop. Okay, this means we cannot stop thinking. We cannot stop thinking independently. Otherwise, the devil will send some information to our brain. So should we watch YouTube videos? Should we watch TVs? Should we watch movies? Should we listen to the political debates? Yes, I think, of course, we can watch those videos, TVs, movies, and the debates, but we need to think about them independently. We need to think. We need to think when we are watching. Okay, so this pen, yeah, I feel good. This pen is smooth. So, yeah, this pen. So if you'd like to have a smoother nib, you should go with a medium one. But this one is not scratchy, but not as smooth as this one. Okay, I think the nibs of these two pens can be exchanged, but I don't want to do that now. Okay, so this is the review of this Monteverde Invincia fountain pens. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.